Let us see how to install the server core operating system. So first we'll create the virtual machine for server core. Okay, so let me close all the other virtual machines. We'll create a new virtual machine for server core. We'll click next. We'll install the operating system later. We'll install the operating system 2022. Okay, and my workstation supports maximum 2019. We will select 2019, but we'll install 2022 only. Then we'll click next. And where do you want to save the operating system files or the virtual machine files? So we'll go with the default settings. Then we'll click next, next, finish. The virtual machine is created. Let us change the name to server core. Then we'll install it. So we'll go to edit virtual machines. We'll provide the ISO image path. So it is there on my desktop. We'll go to desktop and ISO image is saved on my desktop under this software folder. Then ISO image. We'll select the Windows Server 2022 operating system and we'll select the ISO image. Then we'll click OK. And after that, we'll power on the virtual machine. It is loading the files. It will take few seconds. We'll click next. Install now. Okay. If you see desktop experience means it is the GUI operating system. And if you see the version name without any desktop experience, which means it is the core server. So let us install the Windows Server 2022 Data Center Evaluation Core. Then we'll click next. We'll accept the Microsoft license terms. Then we'll click next and we'll select the second option. We'll install the operating system from scratch. Then we'll click new, apply, and we'll install the operating system in partition 3 and the other partitions, partition 1 and 2. They will store the supporting file of this operating system. Partition 3, it is a 59.9 GB hard disk and it is your C drive. Then we'll click next. And what it will do, it will copy the Microsoft Server operating system files. Then it will get the files ready. Then it will install the features. Then it will install the update. Then it will finish up the installation. So we'll wait for installation to be done. Then we'll do some configurations as well. So the installation is completed and the server is restarted.